Morse Taper. The Morse Taper is the most commonly used standard taper in the industry. It is a self-holding taper. A self-holding taper has the property of holding the two parts together and be able to assemble together without any additional locking device such as keys. Just insert the external taper into the internal taper with a slight bang and they get locked together. These tapers have a smaller taper angle. Morse taper is usually used in bores of spindle noses of lathes and drilling machines, shanks of drills, reamers, centers, etc. The Morse taper is denoted by the letter MT. It is available from MT0 to MT7. The number MT0 to MT4 are commonly used on taper shanks of twists, reamers, and lathe centers. The included angle of Morse taper is approximately 3 degrees and the taper per foot is 5/8 inch.